Danielle must have got lost.
No, she wasn't coming here. She was going to the SH-10. It's ground mounted at the Capitol.
What?
She was at the Capitol where the SH-10 is.
Capital where? In Lansing?
Yeah.
Oh, there's more sirens in Lansing?
There's 20 of these, a ground-mounted SH-10 and a Model 5 on top of a building.
Really? So Danielle went to one on top of the Capitol building, right over there?
Yeah, it's not on top, it's literally on the ground.
Well, guys, that was the last of the Lansing's Thunderbolt tests. Soon, it's gonna get replaced by. Oh, sorry. I'll do that in a minute.
Okay, well, we're done recording.
No, they're still going off back there.
Oh, I can hear it.
It's going on forever.
Well, yeah, Delta goes off for a full 3 minutes. It's just Lansing does 30 seconds.
Oh.
Want to walk up to it again?
Where?
I just don't even.
I have like an entire list of Thunderbolts for Lansing.
Seriously?
He wants to go to every single one and take pictures. It's like an entire.
I don't understand. There's like a whole group of these people that already do.
Yeah.
I don't understand. And they like make them like personal, like they're living.
Yeah.
Are you Lynn?
I'm Lorraine.
You're Lorraine.
Yeah.
Are you James's mom?
I am.
You okay, I met you
Yeah.
before in Melvindale, I think.
Or Redford?
I don't know. They're all, I get
There.
them all confused. I don't know.
It was at one of the parks.
Yeah, it was cold, and Danielle was there, and they were riding around. There's a whole bunch of people there. That's all I remember. Yeah, Danielle's like, we're going to Jackson, we're going here, we're going there. I'm going, what is all this? Thanks for sending me the link for that. Oh, no problem.
Yeah, we got. He's got this entire list. We've been through half of the ones in Lansing already, taking
Oh.
pictures.
That was it, guys. The last Lansing test of the old system, because you're gonna replace it with Equinoxes.
We're not, no,
So see you guys
not
there.
on those. And then he put